Have you ever felt like your money disappears before the month ends? You're not alone. But here's the good news, saving $500 in just 30 days is possible, even if you feel like you can't spare a dime. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, realistic 30-day challenge to reach your $500 goal. No extreme diets, no cutting off all fun, just smart strategies that work. Let's dive in. Step 1. Tracking every dollar you spend. You can't cut costs if you don't know where your money is going. Start with a simple notebook or a free app. Write down everything: coffee, snacks, groceries, subscriptions, even that $2 candy bar. After a week, review your spending. You'll probably notice surprising patterns. Maybe you're spending $50 a week on takeout or $30 on streaming services you rarely use. Tracking doesn't just show you where your money is going, it makes you more mindful about future spending. Pro tip: categorize your spending into needs, wants, and savings. This helps you see exactly where to cut and where to save. Step 2. Cut back on non-essential spending. These small costs add up fast. Skip that daily coffee, limit eating out, or buy groceries in bulk. Look at subscriptions. Cancel the ones you don't need. Even small adjustments, like making lunch at home, can save $50 to $100 in 1 month. That's a big chunk of your $500 goal. For example, buying a $5 coffee every day is $35 a week, $140 a month. Making coffee at home could save nearly a third of your $500 goal. Step 3. Use the 50-30-20ths budgeting rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. For this challenge, focus on that 20%. Put it straight into your savings. Even if your income is small, automating this 20% can help you reach $500. For example, if you earn $2,500 a month, 20% is $500. That's exactly your goal. Budgeting helps you control your money instead of letting it control you. Set up automatic transfers to a separate account or a savings jar. Out of sight, out of mind. You'll be surprised how quickly it grows. Step 4. Make extra cash. Sometimes cutting isn't enough. Adding income accelerates your goal. Sell items you no longer need: electronics, clothes, books. If you have a skill, writing, graphic design, tutoring, consider freelancing online. Even a few hours a week can earn $50 or more. Extra income isn't just nice to have, it's a shortcut to hitting $500 in 30 days. Step 5. Save smart. Don't just tighten your belt, use strategies that make saving easier. Automate your savings. Set up weekly transfers to a separate account. Visual reminders or jars help you see progress. Reward yourself for milestones. Saving $100? Celebrate a little, it keeps you motivated for the full 30 days. Remember, saving is a habit. The sooner you start, the easier it gets. Here are a few bonus tips to reach your $500 faster. Shop with a list, no impulse buys. Use cash instead of cards, it makes spending feel real. Look for discounts, coupons, or cashback apps. Avoid high-interest loans, they can erase your savings quickly. And that's it. Track your spending, cut non-essential costs, budget smart, earn extra, and save wisely. In just 30 days, you could have $500 in your pocket. Start today, the first step is tracking your money. If you want more simple, realistic money-saving challenges, Check out our YouTube channel, Smart Money 101, and join thousands of others on the path to financial freedom. Remember, saving money doesn't have to be complicated, it just takes the right plan and consistent action.